This is Shanshan. He is specialized in chiropractic care and he offers unique methods.
Hello everyone, I am Shanshan. What we are doing is spinal adjustment through traditional Chinese techniques. It involves using our traditional techniques in conjunction with our breath to realign misaligned and rotated vertebrae. During the process, it is important for our bodies to relax. Then, with the combination of our techniques and controlled breathing, we quickly restore them to their proper position. Throughout the process, there is no pain, pulling, or discomfort. While enjoying the process, we realign the misaligned and rotated vertebrae, as well as correct the areas of spinal and lumbar pain caused by poor posture in daily life. After correction, the compressed nerve will be cleared, and symptoms such as arm pain, numbness in the legs, and other nerve-related symptoms will be alleviated. This comes from our traditional Chinese cultural system that has been around for thousands of years. I hope to exchange and learn together with everyone here. Thank you.
吸口气，慢慢呼气。对，好，吸口气，慢慢呼气。好，放松。对，好，吸口气，慢慢吹气。吸口气，慢慢吹气。好，吸口气，慢慢吹气。OK， 好了，
感觉舒服多了。
舒服多了。
我之前会有点僵硬。
好，闭上眼睛。好，放松，吸口气，好，慢慢吹气，放松。好，吸口气，慢慢吹气。对，可以。吸口气，慢慢吹气。哎，对。吸口气，慢慢吹气。OK。好，吸口气，慢慢吹。
就是按完之后，那个酸胀那个感觉好像减轻了好多，好像左边刚才按了一下，完全就没有了。
好，放松。好，吸口气，慢慢吹气。对。好，吸口气，慢慢吹气。对。放松。对。好，吸口气，慢慢吹气。对。好，吸口气，慢慢吹气。OK。整体还挺好的。吸口气，慢慢吹。对。可以。
没有痛感吧？
没有。
整个过程都没有吗？
没有，比较舒服。
好，吸一口气，慢慢吹气。好，吸一口气，慢慢吹气。好，吸一口气，慢慢吹气。好，吸一口气，慢慢吹气。好，现在痛吗？
现在好多。
好多了。
感觉脖子比较轻松，然后眼睛也会亮一点。